Are you here for it? I'm here for it. Today, we're in for a really fun journey. Can you stamp with dip powder? Or rather, can you stamp using dip powder? We purchased the Kiara Sky brand, and if you're not familiar with the company, they're a reputable brand. See, I told you, I'm always forgetting something. It has this list of extensions. Instructions. Ooh, I'm sorry. They always recommend to go in like this, and there's like a shaking motion. Excuse me, a shaking motion. I got a few more. Let's just stamp them all. Stamp them all. What's wrong with my tongue? Just cannot. Ugh. Always making up its own words. It was so fun doing this with you. I was so nervous.